It's time to expect more from your hot tub. Liquid just got smarter. Introducing Freshwater IQ, the inline self-monitoring salt system that tells you what it needs to maintain clean, natural-feeling water with less time and effort from you. Freshwater IQ pairs the freshwater salt system with the all-new smart monitoring system. The salt system gently cleans the water, while the smart monitoring system tests the water hourly and provides easy-to-follow on-screen recommendations to keep water clean and clear. The Freshwater IQ system makes water care smarter, automatically testing the water every hour. Cleaner, helping to maintain soft, gentle water with fewer chemicals. Simpler, providing clear, on-screen recommendations. And better, delivering the most comprehensive water care available. We've raised the bar on what a water care system can do because we believe your hot tub should take care of you, not the